Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes Microsoft vulnerable driver blocklist option being grayed out fix. Type regedit in Windows search bar, right-click Run as administrator. Click and expand HKey local machine, click and expand system, click and expand current control set. Click and expand control, click CJ. Create new DWord 32-bit value named as vulnerable driver blocklist enable, change value data to 1. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.